Yo. Good morning, y'all. If you can hear me loud and clear, throw a one in the chat. Because hear me out. I am freezing. Okay, y'all can see I'm wearing the UGG jacket this morning. It's like 20 degrees in Texas right now. And some of you guys might be saying, like, oh, 20 degrees ain't nothing. Well, guess what? I'm used to like 80, like every day. You know what I'm saying? So don't judge, but it is freezing cold outside for me. This is freezing. So hopefully y'all are having a good day. But yeah, throw a one in the chat if y'all can hear me loud and clear this morning. Would love to hear how your weekend went. I'm excited for a good week, even though I won't be here the whole week. Real quick, just to like fill you guys in, let you know what's going on. I will be live trading here on YouTube for free today and tomorrow. After today and tomorrow, on Wednesday, that is my anniversary, so I will not be trading with my wife. And then Thursday is my daughter's first birthday, so I will be taking her to Disney World in Orlando, Florida. So I will not be here for Thursday or Friday, but I'll be back Monday of next week. So I will only be trading 2 days this week, today and tomorrow. We're gonna be live trading here on YouTube for completely free. So hopefully y'all are excited. There's obviously a little bit of delay on YouTube. That's how it works. YouTube gives a little bit of like a delay between, like probably like a 30 to 45-second delay. So if you guys do want to see my actual live entries and watch me in real time on Discord, where I'm alerting live in real time, where there's no delay, then you want to click the link in the description and come join the VIP or High Roller Discord and come check it out. Right now, you can actually come join my VIP Discord for $1 your first month. If you decide to go to the let me actually just do it, make it easier here. If you go to the oasistradinggroup.com, www.oasistradinggroup.com, I'll put it in the chat right now for y'all. If y'all go check this out, this will be the spot for you to go down here, click on this VIP membership, choose VIP. Once you click choose VIP, you're going to see $99 a month up here. Click join and use code DOLLAR, DOLLAR. Use code DOLLAR. I'll even make it a little easier here and put it on here. Use code DOLLAR for $1 for your first month inside of the VIP live trading Discord. The best place in the world, nothing better. But there you go. Really excited to get started. Let's go ahead and do it. So I'm seeing a lot of people in the chat. What's up, Danny? What's up, Nico? What's up, Deloy, John, Isaiah, After Dusk? Hope you are doing great. Thanks for the kind words, guys. Thank you, Nico. We're going to go ahead and get started. So I'm trying to really push the viewers here inside of the live, morning calls here on YouTube, because on Discord we steadily set at about 100 to 200 people, but I want to just really push this live trading on YouTube and the live morning call, because I am live every single morning at 9 a.m. Eastern, going over my top watches and all of that. So today we're doing the same thing. Was any of y'all here last night? If any of y'all were here last night, exactly what I said happened. We saw SPY hold that 680 level. If we go to the 24-hour time frame here, you can see SPY has already retraced half of the move from Friday. And let me tell you something. Typically, when we see this happen, we've seen it happen multiple times. It happened back here as well. If you guys remember, on October 10th, on Friday, we had that big downside candle. Next day, the candle gaps up 50%, and guess what? We see higher from there. See another time. Gap down here, or push down here. We see this big, large engulfing candle here. We see a 50% push up the next day off the 100 EMA. We continue higher. I'm probably expecting something similar. If SPY does decide to lose its level of 680 today, 680, then I will look for downside. 680 is a very bearish level on SPY. Okay, I say bearish level. The level is not bearish. The level is actually a support, but 680 is going to be basically the floor here. We'll even go to 679.32, which is Friday's low. And honestly, if you want to be really safe here, you really shouldn't be touching longs until we get above Friday's high, which is 690, because it's an inside day. But we're going to be a little riskier today, and we're going to say this level here, we're honestly pretty close to hitting it already this morning. But our call wall is going to be this level here. So let me just get a little closer. We're getting closer. Come on. Oh, shoot. Okay, sorry, guys. Trading View, man, it's the best. All right, there we are. So 686 basically is my upside level for calls. So we have a call wall here at, let me go ahead and erase this drawing. We have a put wall here. And we have, oh my gosh, I keep clicking the wrong things, guys. I'm like trigger happy this morning. Like, I'm actually tired, which is crazy. Call wall, here we go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Also, while we're sitting in the chat, y'all let me know if y'all have any top watches yourself that you want me to go over. Let me know if y'all have any suggestions on tickers or anything like that. I'd love to go over them for y'all. We're actually going to put our call wall at 687.12. That's a better price. 687. Nope, sorry. A little higher. There we go. 687.26 is our call wall. Now, for price targets, we got to look at this. Friday's high is going to be price target 1 for sure at 690. We'll just make it 690 flat because that's just a better psychological level. We don't want to get screwed because we wanted to be a little greedy. So we do have 690 as our PT1. And then, honestly, from after this, it's kind of clear skies. I mean, we can go ahead and put like a lotto PT here at 695 as a PT2. But there's not really any more upside levels after that. So we're kind of just shooting for the stars here. But I do think PT2 is possible at 695. For downside, if we break that 680 level, I want to come and see this level here at 676.02. 676.02 PT1. So break below 679.32. I want to see 676.02. There you go. And then let's go and just remove this little box here. Move that there. And then below that price target on SPY, I want to see lower here at 670.11. I'm just going to remove this zone here. 670.11. So these are the price targets for the day with the call and put walls on SPY. It's honestly pretty easy levels for the day. Nothing too complicated. But yeah, this is the S&P. This is SPY. So this is what we're looking at this morning. If you want to take a screenshot of this, feel free. I usually screenshot this and send it to my Discord members inside of the VIP. So if you want to check that out, go ahead and do so. Again, link in the bio. Use code $1 for your first month, $1. But yeah, put wall, call wall, all in place here on SPY. I'm actually going to remove this EMA cloud or this EMA. Let's go ahead and do the 4-hour time frame to make it easier. There we go. All right, I'm going to go ahead and screenshot this now so I can send this to the VIP Discord members. There we go. All right, let's look at QQQ. The same situation's happening. We're seeing something kind of common happen here, guys. You guys can see. Look where we rejected in the past. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So you can say 7 or 8 times right here. We've seen a rejection on QQQ. What else do we see in that same level? We see a bullish gap, right? Is it a coincidence that our bullish gap was originally a resistance here 8 times, and then we see a break above the bullish gap, retest it, continue higher, and now we retested it again on Friday, and look where we're trading now, higher. This is not bearish, guys. I don't believe it's bearish. If we get below this zone, then I will disagree, and I will say, okay, guys, yeah, it is bearish. But right now, if we move this gap all the way around here, all the way, until we get below that level, I am not looking for downside. So this is what I'm looking for here. This is literally my game plan. And this is easy. This is not tough. We have a easy gap here that we're trading off of. We have heavy resistance here at these levels, right? These levels here. You guys can see all the resistance. So right now on QQQ, I am targeting 623 to 624 for upside. If we can get to 623, 624 for upside, I would then look for price to base at that level and then even go higher to these week highs here at 630. If that was the case, right? Now, if we get below this 612 level, 612 is a huge level, guys. If we break below 612, I'm looking for lower, 606.69. Below that, this wick low at 597.24. We can even go a little higher, actually. Okay, there we go. 597.45, right? So it's not the most clean levels here because we're really just looking for a zone to get, completed to the upside or downside. But you get the point. I mean, we have a huge 4-hour gap here. I guess it's a 24-hour gap too and a daily gap. Yeah, it's a daily gap and a 24-hour gap. But huge bullish gap on these larger time frames. We have to look for price to respect it, which it did pretty perfectly. All right, let's look at ES and NQ. Same situation here. We're seeing. Just look at the trend here. We have a downtrend. Oh my God, I'm like not clicking correctly today. We have a downtrend, right? This is like textbook retail stuff, right? Downtrend, downtrend, downtrend. Oh, we break out, we retest, break out, continue higher. Well, guess what? If we look at previous resistances that we have, what do we have here? We have that high here getting taken out, this high getting here, this high here, all as a resistance. 4 rejections, even more. It's actually like 7 or 8 rejections, but we'll go with 4 to make it the larger time frame bias off of that level. Well, it's crazy. It's crazy we rejected so many times off there, because guess what? If we go ahead and move out that zone, mark the top of this wick here, drag it down, look where price basically bounced this morning, right? We basically saw a bounce right off that $6,800 level on ES for higher. So, that being said, I'm still bullish. Unless we lose these lows here that we created on ES, which is about 6,800. Unless we lose 6,800, I'm pretty bullish on ES. Now, let's say that we go down to 6,800 this week, maybe even break below. But then we see an instant reclaim. I will flip back to upside. I'm not afraid of doing that. But 6,800 is my psychological level for downside if we do break below. Very, very important. In Q, same situation. You know, we have that demand zone here. Previous demand now, or previous supply, now demand. But price pushed into it. It's the same thing I've been talking about this whole time. Touch point, touch point, touch point, touch point. 4 rejections. 1, 2, 3, 4 more rejections, right? 1, 2 more rejections. Then we finally break above and continue higher. But you see how we based into this zone instead of just breaking down lower like we did before and causing displacement? Now we're doing the same thing here. We're seeing the zone get hit. We're seeing the larger time frame show a bullish bias. I am still bullish until we get below 25,100 on NQ. 25,100 on NQ is the price I am looking for if we are trying to look for downside. 25,100. You guys can see, I mean, we can take a look here and just say, like, if we make this a little darker so it's easier to see, we can see all of these rejections happening, right? You guys can see them. Rejection. Let's actually make this a little smaller. Rejection. 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 And then we see price start to base. Let's do it. How do we make it an up arrow? Where's the up arrow? There it is. Then we see basing happen right here. Perfect basing. Literally textbook basing. Basing above here. Retest and now higher. There you go. It's not a coincidence, guys. This isn't rocket science. This is really easy stuff, honestly. Hopefully I'm teaching you something here. Put a 1 in the chat if y'all are learning. I would love to know if this is making sense to y'all while I take a sip of my drink. But put a 1 in the chat if you guys are learning something. This is pretty textbook stuff, and I want to let you guys know how this stuff works and how you can analyze this stuff pre-market before the market even opens. At that liquid death mountain water, baby. Let's go. All right, I'm going to go ahead and screenshot this, actually, because this is looking pretty juicy. There we go. Screenshotted. There we go. All right. Let's get into some regular individual names now. Let's do it. Tesla. Man, I said it last night, but it's too late now. I said above 460. I was bullish, but guys, it's too late. I would still look for upside on Tesla, but I'm too late to the party here. Tesla's already seeing way too much upside. Apple's looking damn good for a move higher. If Apple can clear this supply zone it's making here, man, it's going to go higher. Above 280, I think. I would say above 280, this thing is going to go. Now, if Apple loses this 276 level, it's not going to go. It's going to be pretty bearish. But there you go. You can see Apple's done the same thing. You know, it's been trying to base at these this previous supply zone, now demand zone, and it did pretty successfully. And now we're seeing higher, higher, high, and trying to make a higher low here. Should continue higher on Apple as well. That would make sense for me. Apple's got to get above that supply zone there for sure. Gold is actually not looking too hot this morning, but we're at all-time highs, so I guess it is looking kind of hot. But it is a pretty big downside move here at these all-time highs we're seeing on gold. Pretty interesting stuff. NVIDIA. Let's talk about NVIDIA, okay? I talked about it last night inside of our live trading, or our little stream that we did. NVIDIA, we're in a downtrend, and until we break that downtrend, I can't take long. So NVIDIA has to get above 184, 185 for me to see higher. NVIDIA could see something like this, displacement down and then continue up and then more down there. Or we might see a little sweep of liquidity below these lows here and then continue higher. Yes, you could say, no shit, champ. Obviously, we're going to go one of the directions. But I'm not here to predict. I'm here to react and show you what a reaction would look like and how you can take advantage of it if you see price move this way. If you see price break below and instantly reclaim, you can probably guess longs. If you see price break below and displace and then slowly grind back up into this demand zone, previous demand, now supply, it's probably going to be a continuation of the downside, right? You got to be able to read candle movement, read market structure this way. It's not that hard, I promise. AMD not looking hot. I'm bearish on AMD. That's just what it is. AMD did exactly what I just said. We saw big displacement to the downside, and then we saw a really small chop, low volume up to this previous high here or previous low here. Not fun. This is not good for AMD. So I want AMD. I'm looking to buy AMD again whenever it gets down here at about 180. 180 to 190. I will start dollar cost averaging into AMD most likely. I hope y'all love the UGG sweater, by the way, guys. We're repping the UGG sweater this morning. It's freezing in Lumberton, Texas, in Beaumont, Texas, in Southeast Texas. If you guys are anywhere near Southeast Texas, it is freezing, okay? It is like literally 20 degrees, so very, very cold. Houston, Texas, if you don't know any of those names, but it is freezing cold. All right, last thing I'm going to look at is coin. Coin is a swing trade that we're in. I mean, I'm liking coin because of Bitcoin, but I don't know why we're not moving up this morning. Bitcoin saw a pretty nice move up. I guess not really, honestly. We only moved up about $1,000. But I would like to see Bitcoin higher. I'd like to see coin higher. I'd like to see MSTR higher. MSTR is also, kind of bear flagging down here, but I think on a larger time frame, MSTR is looking really good. I mean, we should be bouncing anywhere in this zone. Maybe even if we took out this low first, that'd be crazy. But, I mean, we should be bouncing in this zone. This is a pretty large area of demand for MSTR. But yeah, that's going to be it for my watches, guys. That is going to call it for my watch list. I'm going to be live trading here. I'm actually going to keep this stream on. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a countdown here starting soon. I'm going to be back in about, let's just say 10 minutes, and I'll be live trading here for you guys inside of the YouTube channel. If you guys want to watch me live trade, stick around. I'm going to be trading, showing my entries, showing my exits, going over my my actual thoughts inside of the day. I'm also going to be live inside of the Discord. If you have not joined the Discord group, go join it right now. It's OasisTrading.com or OasisTradingGroup.com. Let me actually put the link back in chat. I don't know where it went from here. If we go to OasisTradingGroup.com, I'll put it in chat one more time for y'all. If you go here and use code $, for $1 for your first month of VIP, go check it out. Here it is. Go check it out. Use code $. For $1 for your first month of VIP. Just go to OasisTradingGroup.com. You can claim your starter kit for free if you'd like. Go down here, choose your VIP membership, and go ahead and use code $. For your first month for only $1 inside of the VIP live trading Discord. Would love to see y'all there. All right, I'm going to take a quick pause, grab like some more water, maybe grab a little bite to eat here at the house, and then I'm going to get started live trading for you guys. So give me a moment and put some music on for you guys, and we're going to get started shortly. Let's get it.
It's all the way there, which it's only a $3 move, but still about a $4 move now here at open, but still.
Let's get it. Tesla is moving. Tesla's up pretty fat, I'm not gonna lie.
Morning, boss.
Guys, if y'all watch my YouTube video of my watch list, it's kind of what I was expecting. I had this support down here on QQQ. I was expecting for this to bounce. Unfortunately, I couldn't get in anything, but definitely bounces right up to that resistance.
Less than 1 minute. What's up, Sarah? I can try. OBS hasn't been cooperating with me very well. Jay Schwab, man, how are you, dude? Where you been?
What's up, Jay Schwab?
The man, the
brother?
myth.
You know who else I saw in here this morning
Who's that?
that I haven't seen in a while? Let me see if they're still in here.
So open.
Where is he at? I saw you peeking in here. I don't see him anymore, but it was Bobby Sugar.
The man, Bobby Sugar. He actually sent me a DM a while back. Told me Happy Thanksgiving. He hadn't been here in weeks and just randomly DM'd me. I'm like, what a guy. What a guy.
Yeah, he was like one of the first people in this live trading thing that I started this morning.
Bobby was the
Ooh.
man. You'd take like a trade and went like plus $30 per contract, and you'd see Bobby's up like $8,000 on the day.
I was one of the Oasis whales.
Yo, what up, y'all?
What's up,
Good
brother?
Good morning.
It is fucking cold, man.
I don't want to hear
I
it.
saw you in a hoodie on the.
I'm
on
in
the
a
live
UGG
stream.
or a UGG hoodie right now. Like, I think it's my wife's, but like this thing
Chandler,
is
did you
so
wake up
cold, dude.
just freezing, dude? Like, was your house so cold?
Well, no,
Mine, I
you're
don't
just
know.
not the smartest guy. I made sure my heat was on and everything before I went to bed because I knew
Oh,
it was
dude,
gonna be
I
20
can't do
degrees.
that. I wouldn't sleep. But dude, holy crap!
Yeah, our fireplace has a thermometer in it, and so when it gets below like 70, it'll kick on for a little bit to warm up the house. I'm pretty sure it ran all night.
That was the first thing I did when I woke up. Was go straight to that fireplace and turn it on.
Yeah, it was like I was up to about like midnight last night, and it was already like freezing outside. So I was like, me and the wife were like, we gotta fix this right now. So cold.
Yeah, dude, it's 2 degrees here this morning.
Champ, not to brag,
Pretty
it's
cool.
56 here. Damn, dude, lucky guy. I wish, dude. I wish it was
Where-
56.
Where are you, Sawyer? It's cold here.
Tampa.
Tampa. Oh, man, nice.
Any of y'all got like multiple monitors, but like half of them don't even turn on, or like they just don't keep half of them on? Because that's my problem right now. I got 3 monitors, a large monitor. I got 1 large monitor, 2 like verticals, and my right vertical monitor just stays off all day. It's like pointless to even be here.
The heck?
Dude,
My computer
Tesla
doesn't like
is-
HDMI, dude. It like as soon as I put in multiple HDMI's, my computer starts wanting to crash out. I can't like it's so frustrating.
Oh yeah, I had to use a different type of
What video
HDMI.
card do you have?
I have no idea. Nvidia? That's what you're asking, I guess.
Yeah, what series?
It's a 3060.
Should be able to
Oh
handle
guys,
it.
Wave is bearish to start off on the day.
Dude,
so
no, my
far.
computer's just ass, dude. I hate this computer. It's it was like not that crazy expensive, but it's ass. I don't like it.
You probably need those
Oh, never
the
mind.
different cables.
Dude,
the
it's just
display
it's just the
ports.
ports. It's not the cables, it's the ports, dude. The ports like are so fidgety. Like if I move anything at all my screens turn off. Like it's just so fidgety. It's bad.
Did you try to turn it off and back on?
Like 1,200 times. Let's do this here. Big downside move to start the day. Honestly, last night we were going down last night when I was doing my live stream, and I was trying to tell everybody that I think we bounce at least into Monday. I didn't think we were going to get a gap up of this, but I thought we would at least see some type of bounce overnight. But
Goodness, this thing is going.
Yes, sir.
Over.
Yeah, it's doing exactly what I talked about in my pre-market plan, and I missed my entry.
Bring me gap fill. I'd like gap fill, but I don't want it on the first candle.
Yeah, right. Exactly.
just past a lucid flex. There you go. Let's get it.
There you go, man. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I had like a lot of people asking me like, Champ, what's the plan for trying to pass a combine? And obviously you can set a realistic plan, but personally me when I'm trading combines is I'm really trying to just pass them as fast as possible. I'm not trying to really like have a system and have a strategy in place for the risk reward and money wise. But I will say though, like you should still have a strategy. You shouldn't just gamble it. But what I'm saying basically is like I'm not really worried about blowing accounts because I'm able to actually consistently get payouts. But obviously some people in here or most people in here are not consistently getting payouts, so I understand like not wanting to blow the accounts. But don't be upset whenever you see people passing accounts really fast and you're like, well, why can't I pass mine? Well, it's probably because you are trying to size correctly and not pass fast, right? But for me, I might pass one in one day because I might just full port an inverse orb or something, right? Not, by the way, Skull, I'm not saying yours was like that. I'm just giving an example out there. You could have had a great sizing and great entry, everything else. I was just saying for other people that are listening in.
With this gap up, guys, it looks like we could be getting a inside day.
Yeah,
So I told everybody pre-market too. Same thing.
Jimmy, did you say we got big news tomorrow?
Yeah, non-farm payroll tomorrow on a Tuesday, which is super weird. It's usually on Fridays.
CPI is later on in the week.
Yeah, CPI is Thursday and PCE on Friday.
Champ, have you blown an account? What advice? Bro, King J, I've blown so many accounts. I blew one on live here the last time I traded Asia. Not last time I traded Asia, but the time before that, I blew one on live. Blowing accounts is just part of it. So
Yeah.
call flow is starting to head up here, actually. That's interesting.
Yeah.
Little quick
ramped
call
up a
flow
good bit
move.
right there. Dude, Tesla, guys, is moving right now.
Yeah, dude. I told everybody last night above 460, I'm going to try to buy calls tomorrow. Well, it opened at fucking 470. Britton,
Yeah,
dude, I texted you about this, Britton. Like this move overnight. Why he does this every time, dude. Every time.
Every time. I wonder when it'll just like stop doing it.
Every time we see big moves down on Friday, have y'all noticed that we get a like 50% retracement overnight? Like it's crazy.
Alex.
Yeah.
Oakley, Jimmy.
What's up?
Camera check.
Oh,
Oh man.
it's Monday.
Yeah, it is a
All
no
my
news
kids are
Monday,
here.
Danny.
Yeah,
I'll play it.
all my kids are here this morning. Not a
He's, like
chance.
half naked right now.
No way, dude. It's too cold for that.
Oh man.
2 degrees outside. Skip that.
If anybody, I've already told most of y'all if you've been in here, but I guess I haven't had a whole group like this since last week. But I will not be here Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday this week. Wednesday is my anniversary. Thursday is my daughter's first birthday, so we're going to Disney, and then Friday I'm going to be in Disney as well with her. So just better not to trade. I also want to enjoy this moment with my daughter for her first ever birthday. So definitely gonna not be trading Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I wouldn't say I won't trade. Maybe on Friday I might hit a trade or something, or like at the airport on Wednesday night for Asia session. You know? No, I'm just kidding. But
Guys, we're gonna get a screenshot. Champson full port on his evalve and trying to pass the account.
there you go.
Yeah, on freaking Space Mountain.
That's
Space
what's
Mountain.
gonna happen. Yeah, Space Mountain Bros trying to trade this quick inverse orb.
Oh shoot.
Then he's gonna be like, guys, did y'all catch that? Yeah, but guys, to go off of that, Tuesday. Actually, I'm leaving today after this live, most likely. But Tuesday through Friday, I won't be at my setup, but I'm gonna try to be around my laptop or.
We have birthdays on top of anniversaries too. Talking about a lot of fun. Oh yeah, after dusk. I'm excited, dude. It's gonna be a good week. It's gonna be a good week.
But-
looks like it just wants to keep going.
Yeah, we're just
Yeah,
we just
exactly.
wicked off of that like 50% retracement of that opening candle there. Like we went and
Oh,
just hit the
crap.
middle of it, and we still continued down. Call flow's up, but I need to see better price action. I mean, I say it's up; it's actually falling down now. But I need to see some type of better price action. This is gonna be a large opening range, guys. It's gonna be very, very large.
Oh my gosh! I just realized this is not even after the 15-minute candle.
Yeah, bro. It's been 9 minutes, and we've already
Yeah,
dropped
seriously.
over $2.
Oh man, and it's a inside day too. So
Sounds like
far,
inverse
yeah.
order might work, is what I'm hearing.
Yeah, cause that control point's gonna be like full TP.
Yeah,
baby.
control point's gonna. I'm gonna pass the account before I even get to the control point. Mark
Yeah,
said
later,
it.
game.
Oh,
Have a
dude,
good
hold on.
one.
We have wait. Where's Ricci? Is Ricci and SoFlo in here? Hold on, Ricci and SoFlo. Let me know if y'all are in here. I need to give y'all those funded accounts like right now or ASAP so you guys can get in. Ricci, are you wanting like do you need it this second or are you still wanting to learn how to do it before you get it? Because I can send it to you right now if you want. I just gotta PayPal you the money. I know you were asking about tutorial videos, so I don't know if you're Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm actually gonna go to Lucid Trading right here. We're gonna go here. You guys are both gonna get the 100K eval flex account. So I'm gonna send each of y'all $157.50. But make sure whenever you go purchase this 100K flex eval, you have to go use code champ, or you can use whatever code you want. But you can't just go and purchase it because it'll be $225 if not. So
Have Oakley show you how to make them a coupon code, champ, so you don't have to send them cash.
wait, is
Yeah,
that a
you can do
thing?
that if you want. Yeah.
Yeah,
it's pretty dope, dude.
it
You
is.
should do it.
You-
That's
You
how
can
I
do it
did
in your
the
Lucid
giveaway.
dashboard.
Yeah, you go into
Yeah.
your affiliate dashboard and you click on, I think, wallet. Is that right, Oakley?
Yeah.
I
think you
didn't know
click on
that.
wallet.
That's cool.
Yeah,
That's
and you
sick.
can make coupon codes. Go away.
Yeah, I wonder how
Pretty
many
sick.
funded accounts I give away that nobody actually buys the funded account. They just like pocket that
Right.
cash.
Exactly.
That's funny.
Oakley got
Shit.
fired 5 minutes ago. Oh, it happens.
Calls and puts are pretty close, by the way, guys. There's no confirmation for anything. It's also not 15-minute opening range yet.
We have a lot of
There's
negative
a lot of
projections to
downside.
the
Yeah, I was just
downside.
literally just about to say that, bro.
How is Trady looking? The same thing?
It's pretty bearish. Nothing crazy just yet. It's pretty much the same neck and neck, but there's small levels to the downside, not as much as or Flotopia right now.
Gotcha.
You'll see they'll be in Disney 2 on Thursday and Friday. Well, come meet me. Let's do it. Let's go. Let's do a meetup. Come say what's up. What's up, Hernival? Hope you're doing good, bro. Hope you're doing good.
That was a big level we were talking about last week.
Dude, I feel like if it goes to 680, it's.
That is far away though. Yeah.
We
That's
got
really far away.
Britt, we got like, even though we're live on here for 222 people in Discord, I still got 40 people on YouTube watching, so that's kind of nice.
Oh, that's really cool.
What you think anybody's watching both? That'd be crazy. They just want all the info. Lucid not showing my switch to funded account. I think it might be telling me to take the rest of the day off. No, you have to just go activate it, I believe. If you go to, I can't show you my dashboard, but you have to go activate it inside of your dashboard.
Yeah, when you open your dashboard, you'll see a button that says upgrade, and you just click that, and it does it.
Oh, there's no button there yet. Oh, did you just pass the account, Cole or Skull?
Yeah, it might take a few
That'll be a
minutes.
little while.
Yeah, it'll take a minute. Yeah, Aquafina, YouTube has a delay. That's why I'm kind of doing the whole thing of like, if you don't want to delay, get in the Discord, you know?
Dude, this 24-hour on QQQ, that Friday candle's large. I would definitely,
it's
I wouldn't
huge.
be surprised. Actually, I would be surprised if we didn't see like an inside day today. I would be so surprised.
Same.
Oh, we're definitely not. I
be-
don't think we're gonna break out of our previous day low and high. Definitely, I think
No, I don't even know if we will this week.
there's just no
Um,
news, you know.
Yeah.
There is later in the week, not today.
Well, yeah.
So tomorrow we have NFP. Wednesday we have nothing. Thursday we have CPI and unemployment and all kinds of crap. And then Friday we have PPE.
PPE.
Is that right? Is that right? This Friday?
The PC.
PCE. Sorry.
Then you get some CTE. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, dude, I already have that.
Oh, dude, I don't even want to talk about it. But them Cowboys, man. Oh, that sucks, dude. It sucks so bad.
I don't know why you're surprised. It's their annual ritual.
I know, dude. I know. It's like
What happened? I didn't hear.
just
They
lose
lost.
whenever it matters the most, you know?
They lost to the Vikings.
Yeah, dude. I mean, I have no words. That was absolutely crazy.
McCarthy was freaking slinging it, baby.
I think I could throw dimes against that defense. Holy shit. It's so bad.
McCarthy wears blackface to every game. Like, what the heck is he even trying to do?
Macho, I know, man. Our daggum division is insane. How could the Colts? The Colts almost did win, actually. The Colts almost did win.
Yeah, they did. That was a close game.
Phillip
then,
Rivers, son, the GOAT.
And then who'd the Rams play? The Rams played a good team. The Lions. Come on.
The Lions, yeah.
I needed Rams and Seahawks to lose, but hey, if we win out and Seahawks beat the Rams, we'll be first in the NFC.
Bro
D-Locks,
saying
I'm
we
never
like
gonna
he's actually on the team, you know?
I'm never going to support any team where the quarterback paints his nails. Just not doing it.
How about them Bears? They're actually surprisingly good this year. I can't believe it.
Jack, I did not see LeBron. D-Walk, we play the Bears this week, actually. Monday Night Football. What happened with LeBron? NFC is wide open. I agree.
Who cares what happened to LeBron? Basketball sucks.
Basketball does suck, dude.
Basketball is terrible.
Like
Basketball, they're flopping all over the place. Don't touch me. That's a foul. Silly. Get out of here.
Dude, I just can't. I wouldn't say basketball is a bad sport. I just can't watch it anymore. I don't know why. Like, it's just, I think my attention span can't handle basketball. I think it's too boring for me. I don't know why. I like NBA playoffs though.
That might be a good point.
I like
Sam.
NBA playoffs though.
Yeah, like when it matters, there's just too many games. It's kind of like baseball. Does anybody actually watch baseball during the regular season?
I like baseball.
They used to when the Cardinals were good. They suck.
I like
They
watching the
are pretty bad.
Astros. I don't
Pretty
like. I don't watch every baseball team, but I love watching the Astros. My favorite team.
See, like
Trash
is NFL
throws.
the only sport where if there's one game on, everyone tunes in? You know, like are y'all watching baseball for a team that you care nothing about?
I'm not.
No, absolutely not.
I'm not.
Yeah, football might be the only sport that you can do that.
We have a AAA team here not far from me, and we do go to their just random games. Like we don't support the team at all. That's going to the game.
Yeah, that's
Just
fun though.
spend time, eat hot dogs and stuff.
We guys, we have. I was looking for inverse orb, but call flow and put flow is actually crossing to the downside. So put flow is actually, or call flows actually came down quite a bit since that 941 push on call flow at 27 million. We've seen a downside move from 27 million to about -5. So I think it's like over $30 million down from the original high of call flows. So I'm just waiting patiently here. I will say it is looking pretty ugly. It's not a good looking morning open here, but we are going to be patient.
Patience is key, baby.
Yeah, this is moving downside.
Yeah.
Nice trend already.
Yeah.
Honestly, at this point, I'm looking for inverse orb to the down. Not inverse orb. Sorry, W orb to the downside. If we can get a close below the opening range here and then a retest back into it. Yeah, NQ, my level for downside is 25,150. I think. The 140, sorry. 25,140 for downside on NQ.
YM is off a cliff. Jeez.
Again,
Yeah, it's
What
at the
is
London
NQ
low
doing?
already. NQ's
NQ is freaking going
down there too. Yeah. But YM is
Yes, it's
being
holding up.
aggressive.
I wonder if we sweep those Friday lows first before seeing higher on NQ. If we see any higher.
That's way down there, man. That's what I was talking about, and bro was a little bit scared. But yeah, 680 is pretty much the low on SPY.
Sawyer said, I know you're talking about passing combines right away. Should I just be positioning way bigger on them to pass? Sawyer, it comes down to your bankroll. So if you can't afford to keep buying combine after combine after combine in case it does go wrong, then I suggest not to. If you think it'll actually affect your real trading habits, then I suggest not to. But for me, the way that I do it is I just know the difference between trading a combine and trading my actual account. And so some people can't do that though. Some people need to keep the same clarity, like for everything, or need to keep it the same so they have clarity on like their entire position, like all their entire system in general. But in this situation, for me, I'm usually, I wouldn't say full porting, but I'm going heavier than I would on a fund account.
That's exactly how I am. I can't go any heavier. It just messes with my mental when I go to take a trade on my personal account. The numbers are what get to me. When I'm on a prop account and it's like plus 800, I'm like, I'm not taking that. You know, we'll let it ride.
Right.
But you know, a personal account plus 800, I'm like, yeah, that's like 2 days pay, 3 days pay. I'm out for that. I'll see you guys next week.
King J, no, I wouldn't suggest trading NQ just to pass. I mean, to be fair, like NQ obviously is heavier, but you can trade just a little more ES and get the same gain than you would out of trading less NQ. So I mean, I don't think the ticker. I think you should trade the ticker that gives you the best entry, the best setup, and what you like to trade. But if you're trying to make more money off of off of how much it moves per tick, then I wouldn't go that way.
Morning, A-Main.
What up, A-Main?
Yo, what up, chat?
What up?
Hey.
Sniper.
Hey. What are you guys looking at?
Shorts.
Looking at you.
Yeah, downside.
Hey, Champ got raised, bro.
Hey man, it's gotta be freezing where you're at, bro, right?
Yeah, it's freaking.
I mean, I saw you on the
cold.
slopes, so I know it's cold.
Where you at, A-Man?
I was skiing.
Oh, I know that, but where?
I went to New Hampshire, bro.
Oh, okay.
No, I don't do anything that involves snow.
Man,
Always
Yeah.
living that life, baby.
The White Mountains, brother.
I just wait till he gets married.
I know I'm coming, John. I promise. I'm coming to Colorado, bro. Thank you, though.
Yes, we're finally breaking that low there. I'm thinking this might go low. Fill the gap.
Yeah. I agree. This call flow is nasty. No bueno. SPY's actually leading the way down, making a lower low right now, while QQQ is trying to hold itself up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was actually watching that. If you look at like Meta and stuff, they're trying to hold up. Like individual tech stocks, Nvidia's up like almost 2%. AMD's up almost 2%. Call flow is trying to cross back to the upside right now. Still bearish, so
I think it's dumping.
Hi, Sissy.
Dumping.
You say hi? No.
Hi, Lily.
She says she doesn't want to say hi.
Oh, darn.
You okay?
I woke up this morning with 4 tires on like 7 PSI. So,
Oakley sounds like he's underwater.
Yeah.
Tesla is going insane right now, Michael. Tesla is up 4% on the day. QQQ made a lower low finally, said SPY here. Both SPY and QQQ heading lower right now. Call flow and put flow is ugly. Call flow is just dying down. Lower and lower.
There's lower GX levels, so on Flotopia, it'd be targeting 681. I think that would fill the gap. Oh, no, 682 would fill the gap on SPY.
SPY is almost there.
Yep, almost there.
It is almost there to fill the gap.
That was fast.
That was so
YM
fast.
YM is gone.
first time IWM is weak in a minute.
Dude, honestly, I feel like IWM's kind of been telling us where the market's going to go. It's kind of been because, like, I remember last week and I saw IWM going. It took the market a while to actually pick up and go with it. Like, it would be really delayed behind it.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. If I go pull up the 30-minute on IWM or RTY, zoom out from Friday to now, what it's making right now looks like a little small head and shoulders after that break to the upside. It's actually perfect.
Britt, that Instagram video has so many views.
Really?
It's got like over 10,000 now.
Holy shit. Dude, did you see my nude type of video?
Which one? The one with
weekend.
you in high school?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw that.
I don't know what made me do that. I think I saw someone else kind of do something like that.
Yeah, I
It
like
was
it.
pretty cool.
I didn't like your transition, but I liked wait, I liked the idea. I think you can actually do something with that.
Yeah.
You should have started with the video of basketball though, because you can't really tell what's going on in the football video. You can't tell which one's you.
I figured that was going to happen. I actually kind of noticed that.
OMG, you're famous. Yeah, Matt, 10,000 views is definitely famous. Good morning, all. Today's my first time watching live. Let's go, Sharky. Welcome in. Welcome in. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. We look like we are just going, I guess it's so bearish. This flow is bearish. Price action's bearish. All of it's bearish. How do I make your screen larger?
There should be something in the bottom right corner.
Yeah, you should be able to just
Discord
click
has
it.
it on the bottom right corner down there. Yeah, next to the.
Yeah, I'm
link
looking.
up.
I'm looking at some puts, guys.
Fatigue. Put wall is just basically like a support level. So when I say a put wall, it's not like you don't have to buy puts below that. It's just telling you like, hey, if we go push below that put wall that was a previous support, probably gonna go lower. Yeah, no problem, man. I don't really talk about them in my videos, but just a little update for you guys as well and how this works. Anybody that's new in here, typically it's me, Britt, A-Main, and Oakley, but we do have Jimmy and Lips in here as well from the high roller team. Going over their plays this week because I'm going to be out of office this week a lot, so I won't be here Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. But they also trade differently than I do, so I only try to take 1 to 2 trades max per day, and it's only if we get my inverse orb or W orb set up. So anybody that's new in here and you see like, why is Champ not taking a trade today? Why is he not entered anything? The market's going down. I preach it all the time that just because maybe Jimmy sees something for downside and I don't have any setup, that doesn't mean that I'm wrong or Jimmy's wrong. Jimmy could definitely make money on the downside. I'm just giving you as an example, Jimmy, but he can make money on the downside and I don't make any money. And then maybe I catch the move up higher later, or I catch the retrace back for shorts. But we all have different strategies, which kind of makes this Discord great because we all trade so differently. So, if we all trade the exact same strategy, then there wouldn't really be a reason for us all to be live. So I like that it's very diverse in here when it comes to strategies.
Yeah, the pre-market plan I gave is playing out really freaking well on this.
Yeah, we're like so close to that
Frustrating.
gap flow we were talking about. I didn't take
Yeah.
anything. This thing gave me no entry.
Good morning, JB. Glad to have you inside the VIP group, man.
This kind of happened on Friday too, which is unfortunate. We caught it on Friday, but sheesh. This
Yeah, we're in
thing did
VIP all
nothing.
week, Matthew. All
Yeah.
week. We gotta show these guys what we do.
Oh, yeah.
Just try to behave in chat.
No
Don't give 'em the
promises
full
on that one,
experience
probably.
right out the gate.
Yo, good morning, Manifesto. How you doing, brother?
I don't think they can handle it.
If you guys are new in here inside of the YouTube live stream, we are live every single morning inside of our VIP live trading Discord. Link in the description. If you use code $, you can get your first month for only $1 inside of VIP Discord. Link in the description. If you hear me talking to this other group, that's what we're doing. We have over 260 people in here listening in and checking us out. It's really awesome stuff to see.
You did for a little bit, yeah, because you were talking to your coworkers, I think.
Well, see,
Yeah,
the weird
Cap.
thing is, like,
Go ahead.
I was gonna say I was answering Cap. Yeah, I took both London and Asia lows on NQ and ES and YM.
I hit deafen on the on Discord, and I guess when I stood up, I bumped it again.
I had somebody this past week so upset because they said that they got too many notifications from this Discord, and which is totally fine. Like I could see that, but I was basically saying like he said all the trader channels have notifications in them, and I was like, well, not to like be rude, but are you not paying for the traders notifications in the first place?
You can turn them off too.
Yeah, I literally said you can turn them off. People say some crazy shit for a refund, you know?
Oh yeah,
And you can
too many
you-
notifications. It's wild.
You can really tell the when they go on ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to explain it for them.
Bro, the UI on the Lucid dashboard is sick. Have you seen it yet, champ?
No, I actually haven't. I didn't want to open it during the stream, but I'll go look at it.
Here, I'll show you. I mean, I'll just show
No,
you.
I'm going on it right now. I'm just going on a different screen to log in.
Like it did a little animation for like one of my accounts, as I passed one of them the other day.
Right.
It does like an animation to like upgrade for you. It's pretty sick.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, this actually does. I do like Lucid Trading's UI. Honestly, it's really nice.
Yeah, their dashboard's great.
And there's the gap fill guys on SPY.
Yep, 682
Yeah, that sucks,
smack.
dude.
Yeah, there's the London low
That
or
sucks,
the Asia
but-
low. Sorry,
And call flow and put flow are just dying.
we're headed towards Friday's low a day. This is crazy.
This is
Yep.
crazy. Me and Britton were saying we don't think that we're gonna get a move outside of Friday's range, but we might be wrong. This thing might be.
Yeah,
going
I said the same thing in pre-market. I was like, I don't think that we'll see Friday's low a day. And dude, we're freaking right here.
Yeah,
Didn't get a single entry on that move down.
and we say this about to just bounce like straight back up
That's
to that
fine.
high day. All this gap fill, manipulate
Oh, it
everybody
did
in the
that
cells.
It did that for Asia session too, where it dumped and then it came all the way back up.
Right. Dude, when I trade Asia, which I don't really love trading Asia, especially not live, but if I trade Asia, I refuse to buy like if we have like right now, if I was on Asia, I'd refuse to buy shorts. I just know I get smoked every time chasing any move in Asia session.
Yeah.
So those downside GEX levels got smashed on.
Yeah, they
crypto.
did. Yep, sure did. There's still one more left at 681, a large one.
Bro, coin is getting crushed, dude. Like absolutely crushed.
What's
Holy
Bitcoin
hell,
at?
dude.
Oh my
What
God,
just
Bitcoin's at
happened?
87.
Bro, coin
Wow.
is down almost $20 this morning. Am I tripping or is that true? Holy
That's
hell,
buying again.
dude. Yeah, Rudrin, I am still holding, but I mean, this thing like might just completely crush the entire position. I mean, it's a $16 move down today. Holy hell, dude. It's because Bitcoin is dumping too, huh? What is the market about to do? That's the real question, because this is not typical for end of the year price action.
I honestly, man, I was looking at it last night and this morning, and I think we dump.
You think we're gonna get some? I mean,
didn't-
there's gonna be a catalyst soon that's gonna make us dump. You think it's gonna be these Epstein files? That'd be crazy, right?
I think it could be NFP and CPI this week.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah, I think CPI is gonna do that to us for sure.
yeah.
Dude, I'm just
If you
hearing a
look at
lot
the
of talk
weekly-
about. I'm hearing a lot of talk about the Epstein files, and like it's getting kind of. Obviously, Epstein files aren't going to move the market overall, right? But any kind of catalyst that could negatively affect, United States politicians could definitely dump the market. And I wonder. I saw on I think it was Polymarket. It was like 80% chance when I looked at like about a month ago that all the files would get released before the last day of the year. So I wonder if that will happen or not. And I wonder if it'll be
We're gonna
bad
see
news for
Champ
the,
on those
for the market.
files.
What?
We're gonna see you in the files,
Bro, whoa.
Wow.
Bow, chicka, bow,
That's
wow.
crazy.
Yeah, be careful getting on those PJs, man. You don't know who's on them.
Yeah, that's crazy, bro.
over here.
Dude, IWM is breaking this head and shoulders right now. This flow is very bearish right now.
Yeah, flow is just looking so ugly.
Well, we're about to hit that 681 level, Alex.
Yeah. Man, I
36
missed this
way.
whole thing.
And then we have another
Holy
one that's
crap.
680, but ain't no way, right?
Yeah, this
I
is
mean, we did
insane.
just say that. We said it earlier. But I didn't find an entry at all. This thing gave me nothing.
Dude, I'm so upset we can't find like an entry for puts.
I mean, you haven't had one entry yet. It's been just dumping every second.
Yep. Like not a single 5-minute retracement.
Nope. That's what I was that's what I was looking for too.
Yeah.
I guess we could have gotten one on that wake up. There was just one entry, but that was way too early. It was like 10 minutes after the market opened.
Dude.
Yeah, well, Gani, coin is probably cooked, bro. I'm still in, but I mean, unfortunately, I was not expecting a $20 move down today. Insane. I mean, sorry, we're going even lower. Like, we're down almost 7% on the day. It's insane, dude. Coin's down $33 since Tuesday of last week. That is insane.
Yeah, crypto's not doing too hot. Bitcoin's under 90, I think. Let me see.
Bro, Matt, I think you might have put too much money in it, bro.
Yep, Bitcoin is under 90. Sheesh.
Look at that bounce. Holy cow.
Yeah, this 5-minute bounce is good. I'm actually looking at it.
I'm glad you're looking at it, man. I'm glad your eyes aren't closed, bro. That's an insane move up, actually. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
That's like what supposed to be $2 move in 5 minutes.
Yeah, we are seeing a little bit of a rebound here, but I'm not really buying it though. So
Nah, man.
this flow is really bearish.
Hey, there you go. Belichick.
Yeah, that's Jimmy. You here? We're inside of the VIP live trading Discord right now. We got everybody in here with us.
Is it Bill?
I'll show you guys.
It's yo Belichick yourself.
Oh.
Bro, $5 to $1,200 crazy, dog. Like that's insane.
That's insane.
That's nuts.
You were not betting on Phillip Rivers to do good at all. You put the whole team under. You under the quarterback and every receiver and the running back.
Hey, his first game, he's as old as I am, and he hasn't played in 5 years.
Bro, he also
Wait.
undered everything on the other side of the ball too.
I know. I was just looking at that.
Just go under,
Wait,
bro.
the only thing he went over was Zach Charbonnet over 25 rushing yards, and he hit that.
That's crazy.
Yeah, let's go ahead and see. If I see a parlay like that, I know you have like 10 more other parlays out there. I want to see those too.
Yeah, bro, but $5 to $1,400, you could have 30
Yeah.
parlays and you're still profitable.
Right. You can have a lot of them.
That's
That's
That'd be in good shape.
insane, dude. That is insane.
What a hit. Sheesh.
Oh yeah, B Rivers he's hurting today. I can't imagine. If I got hit like that a couple times, I'd just be like, no, I'm good. I'm done.
Dude, the one drop back where he kind of fell is so funny.
Bro, he's a big man.
Yeah.
Jimmy
No, I'm not that old yet, Macho, but I'm getting there.
Nah, Rivers is a beast, dude. He's just old for being in the NFL.
Oh yeah. For sure. I mean, he can still play in the NBA that old, but NFL, it's rough.
Rivers was a beast. Well, yeah, obviously iconic. Not still. I mean, I guess I would say he's still a beast. Maybe not a football.
Oh, he can still sling it. He can still sling it. He can't run, but he can sling it, and he can still talk trash with the best of them.
Yeah, Macho. Yes, I did see that. That's what I was talking about. It was so funny.
Just looking at some stocks here, guys. We have Meta. Meta's been relatively strong compared to everything else.
Yeah, Meta is a good buy for shares. I keep loading on that shit.
Oh my God, Robinhood looks terrible on this 24-hour time frame.
AMD and Amazon look terrible.
No, AMD is the worst setup. It's the most ugly setup on the market. I should be swinging
Like,
puts
you
on
can probably
AMD.
buy puts right now on AMD, and it would end up working.
I think
by
AMD is
the
going to
end
go
of
to
the day.
194.51 again, which is that low. The last low created.
Is there something wrong with my trading view, or is Walmart completely missing?
You have to. It's on the Nasdaq now, so you have to go to the it's like it wasn't a Nasdaq version, so now you have to go to the Nasdaq version now. I don't know if that makes sense, but my Walmart, I had to remove my Walmart from my watch list and add Walmart on Nasdaq.
I see. Okay.
Seems like a weird Nasdaq stock.
Right?
This sucks. I couldn't get an entry today. Let me see what Tesla's doing. Let's see what Tesla. Oh yeah, I forgot it's up $1 million this morning.
Yeah, Singularity. I'm looking to actually buy Hood on the dip. I want to see it go lower and buy that dip. That's one of my favorite companies in the stock market. Not everybody will agree, but I think Robinhood is way ahead of any other brokerage for options and stocks and honestly everything other than futures. And honestly, futures, the only reason it's not ahead of the game is because they don't have funded accounts. I mean, that's the only thing in my opinion that's different. It's way better of a platform than like Trade08 and all these other single brokers. You can also like bet on sports on there now, which is mental. That's insane. Prediction market.
Yeah, that prediction market is going everywhere. Like, a lot of people are starting to adapt to that.
Call flow is dying, man.
I mean, we're about
Look
to
at-
break that low again.
Yep.
Look at Apple. Safest stock in the market's down $5 today, $4 today.
Call flow is dying.
Look at that huge level that just popped up, Brett. 675. Imagine. Be another $10 or $11 move on SPY. 2 days in a row.
That means we would break that. Dude, yeah, hell no.
Yeah, that would be bad. That would not be good.
I think it's funny when everybody says Wave only works on up days. And then we see days like this where we're just dying all morning and Wave is also replicating that. For some reason, I
Yep.
can't hear this time. A lot of people can't hear it. So that doesn't make sense. I've never really had a problem with the fills on Robinhood personally, Sawyer, but I've heard people complain about it. So I just think you just can't fill at market.
You just have to know how to read the book. You know, like if it comes across and says the ask is $5 and the bid is $4, you kind of got to know where to put your order,
Right.
or you're not getting filled one way or the other.
Yeah, market fills just aren't good for options, in my opinion.
No, they can be really bad.
Wait, you say what? Market fills are what?
I don't like market fills for options because it just makes you chase
If you
them.
if you actually wait for like the levels in market fills, it's much better than like limit orders because when that shit wakes, you're never gonna get filled.
especially on 0 days.
Yeah, like I'm.
Oh yeah,
speaking-
that for sure.
Like I'm actually speaking on 0 days. Yeah, limit is actually like garbage. You're never gonna
On
know.
yeah, it is rough on 0 days. That's for sure, man.
Yeah.
When I was doing SPX 0 days, I think I marketed into every trade I took.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
don't trade
especially
0
on
days,
SPX.
so I just rather trade futures in 0 days.
Well, that's why I don't trade 0 days anymore.
Yeah.
I trade futures.
Nah, voice channel is the difference between voice channel and stage channel is like if I go live on voice channel, people can't over 50 people can't watch me. It's so dumb.
Right.
That's
Yeah,
so
it's stupid.
weird, dude. That's so weird. Yeah.
Yeah, I remember when we had like 5 people running individual streams. You could only watch 50 on each
Yeah.
channel. Have the whole thing filled up.
Yeah, thanks, Sawyer. I don't know what any other differences. There's probably some other differences, but I don't know.
We're gonna get an entry or what?
Dude.
I don't think we're going
No,
to.
we're
This
not
thing
getting
is
an
just
entry.
lagging down here, so the longer it stays down, it's just gonna dump again.
I am no fortune teller, but I will say everybody here's fortune is that we're not finding an entry. The future shows no entry. Sawyer, that problem is definitely worse, bro. If only 50 people can see my screen when there's 261 people in here, everybody would unsubscribe. Also, like, I'm not for the people who can't hear. I mean, I guess they can't hear this, but I mean, I've seen most people in here can hear every single day. Some people never had a problem in their life, so I don't know who to blame.
That'd be a skill issue. I'm just kidding.
I think it's a Discord just sucks.
Also that.
Yeah, Discord it's literally ass.
Jimmy loves building programs and websites. I think this is his next
Oh God.
his next endeavor is to build.
Dude, could
build
you
a video
imagine how much it
platform.
costs though to have the amount of data or the amount of like storage to have all these people live and in here and all that
Mhm.
Yeah.
servers?
No thanks.
Dude, there it goes.
We're just going
Freak.
lower, man. Nothing but lower. We don't have.
Didn't give me anything. I guess
Just
on
take
that
it
5 minute,
right now.
I can't, dude. It's just
It's on the 30-second.
Just take one. Just take one. One
No, no.
MES.
Um,
it's gone.
Macho, I want to go to Zoom, but nobody else does. So, but I've been telling everybody I want us to all go to Zoom for so long now. Like stay in the Discord for alerts and everything, but Zoom for the live calls.
It's more expensive.
Yeah. But most traders are doing lives in Zoom probably because of this exact reason that we're talking about right now.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously, I would do
Yes.
both. Like, I would be live in here still, but for people who can't hear, they'd have to go to the Zoom.
Goggle meat. Eh. I'm
You
not
like
letting
you like
anybody's-
you like what, Jimmy?
And somebody said, "What about goggle meat?" I don't want anybody's meat. Good.
Yo, bro. Yo, bro. Yo. That's crazy.
Thoughts on Disney? Flow looks good. I actually think that Disney is. I actually like Disney. I really like Disney's weekly time frame. I think Disney's a buy down here, honestly.
Yeah, I agree. I was actually looking at that the other day. We had this bull flag and it broke out to the downside and it looked like it manipulated and now it's breaking back up to the upside. And I love Disney actually like right here. If we can hold this little 110 area.
I don't want to be the opposite of everybody, but seeing this move starting off this week, heading down, like I wonder if we're gonna continue down this week. I feel like we don't continue down this week. Like I feel like end of the week might close still inside of this Friday candle at some point.
That's what I was originally thinking that was going to happen. But I mean,
Yeah, it is looking pretty bearish though. Like it's weak.
We got to get back above 683.
We definitely got to get back above. We got to get back above 685 for me. Like we got to get 683 to be the orb, but even 687. Like we got to get back there if we're gonna try and go any higher. We just can't. We just need to not close below Friday's low here. If we close below Friday's low, things are gonna get ugly.
Yeah, John Cena retired. Suck crazy.
How are they gonna let John Cena get subbed for his last fight ever, dude? What's going on?
Right? That's crazy.
That's what happened to Andre the Giant. Hulk Hogan body slammed him.
Can you bet on WWE?
I don't think so. It's fixed.
It'd be like betting on soap operas. What the heck?
I think it'd be worth though, right? I'd be sweating out a WWE trade. It's like,
Bro, imagine like your guys winning the whole time and they do that shit at the end where like just something crazy happens.
I feel like that's
Another guy
most
jumps
fun
in and
betting
hits your
I've
guy
ever
with
had.
the fucking chair.
They're like,
Came out of the stands.
1, 2, and then he just like throws his arm up before the third.
Bro, actually, that would probably be more live than any other betting, honestly.
Guys, I'm actually gonna be looking at 682 puts.
This would be
And
my pace the
SPY.
whole time.
17 seconds as we close below this pre-market low and everything. I think we're going to Friday's lows, so let's see if I can get an entry on that. I'm only gonna go light because I couldn't get like a fill earlier, so yeah, you can full port.
Thoughts on Netflix? Let me take a look. If I could,
Alright,
if I could
looking at
spell.
position right now, guys. Get ready.
Champ, you know what I think we should buy?
What?
Paramount.
Think so?
Paramount Plus.
No,
Just the company. He wants to buy the whole
Oh.
thing.
I was
the
like, to buy it.
What's
What,
the
you think
ticker
they're
for
gonna
Paramount?
take over Warner Brothers?
I just think they're like right
Alright,
now.
I mean, guys,
they're dumb.
SPY 682 puts at 180, guys.
Hey man, if you want to repeat that, you can.
SPY
682 puts, you said?
682 puts, guys. I filled that 180. They're sitting at 190. You can also fill yourself at 190. It's not a big deal.
What's the stock name? Paramount.
It's not PARA. I thought it would be, but I don't think it is.
Oh, P-Sky.
P Sky. There you go.
There we go. Coming back to break even, guys.
Why is it so low, dude?
All right, perfect. Sitting right below my break even over here, so everybody should be able to get an entry.
I'm going to my boring portfolio and I'm buying it right now.
Guys, I'm looking for this 681.20 area to get rejected and push us back towards the 680s.
All right, man. I'm putting a short position on my screen for the people who are watching on YouTube so they can see your spot. What are you looking for on SPY?
There we go. Looking for this rejection right here at 681.4. We're sitting at 193 right here, guys. 194. I'm looking at $200 per contract. And I'll start trimming.
1 second, guys.
I was thinking about that, Sawyer.
Let's see. These contracts are gonna start moving. There we go, guys. $200 right here. 205.
Hey,
Right,
WA man.
212,
Yeah, man,
guys.
good stuff.
Nice, dude.
Nice. 219. Beautiful. All right. Trim, guys. Trim. Oh my God. 230.
The sniper.
Oh my
The
God.
sniper.
Guys, I
The
sold most.
sniper.
I sold most over here, guys. Sold most.
But he pulled out his intervention on Russ back in 2009. He sees him.
Wow, guys. What a trade.
What the heck, XFY?
What a trade, guys. Let's go. I got two runners right here, guys, sitting at break even. So let's see. Freaking 180 to 230, bro. And freaking 3 minute. Wow. Let's
The
go, Julio.
sniper. Look out,
Hey,
dude.
Habibi steak
I'll
for
make sure to
bro.
post that member profits, fellas. That scalp right there. Y'all make
Dude,
sure to put that member
174
profit.
fill out of the office. You're goated for that for sure, fam. I saw them go below 180.
Bro, they all send in like gifs and pictures of Amen. It's so funny. This shit's hilarious.
We're
This is
still
high
sitting
roller
green
than
right here,
that,
guys. We're still sitting at 215 right here, guys. Still sitting at 215, bro. Why is it chat cooking me right now?
Y'all keep going on Amen.
so, yeah, I got some more
Great
hold on.
trade, Amen. Great trade.
Good
GG,
job,
fam.
Adrian.
The best.
All right, did A-Man crush it or what? What happened?
Yeah. They're all just scroll up in chat.
This is the best A main gif.
Which one? Nah, chill.
That's the best one right there. Yeah, I love that one.
That one's the OG. I feel like that was the first GIF made of somebody, of one of the traders.
Guys, we're still sitting at 226 right here.
There we
guys.
go. Let's go, A-Main.
Oh my god, 240 guys, 240,
Bang, bang.
255. Oh
Wow.
my god, bro.
There's 680 on spot.
Wow.
The
Let's
sniper.
go, guys. Let's go. All right.
A-Main,
Soba-
zero
Soba
drawdown
running
there,
guys.
bro. Zero drawdown.
For real, bro. Nah, I got like $2 drawdown.
Bro, that's zero drawdown on a 0 date till expiration, dog.
That's crazy. All right. Sold the runners at 255, guys. Beautiful day. Let's go. We caught our scalp right there. 265 from 180, guys. Oh my god.
Goodness.
There's 100% right here, guys. 2.7.
There's 680. There's 680 on spy, Brett.
Hey,
Oh,
what
wow.
a trade, guys.
RW, that's funny.
I've been
Good
sitting
shit,
here
A-Man.
twiddling my thumbs, man. Not a single
Dude,
entry.
100% within like 5 minutes, bro. Wow.
I mean, we're just dumping right now. I mean, this is insane.
Yeah. That's Asia low, I think. Let me see.
Dude, A-Man, great trade, brother.
Good shit, you, bro.
That's Asia low.
Yep, Asia low. We'll pass it on NQ.
I'm not gonna speak for A-Main, but from what I'm seeing, it looks like he was just playing continuation, he was already bearish, so he's looking for a pullback into either an EMA cloud or some type of area of interest where he would look for a rejection, and that's where he took a short at.
Like if you go to the 5-minute time frame on Spy Champ, right?
Yeah.
Go to the 5-minute. So
Yeah.
you see that green candle that we bounced out of, right? Like
Yeah.
we had the bounce and the rejection. So I was looking for a break below it. And you see that wick that tested it? So,
Yeah,
like,
exactly where
yeah,
you
so I
entered
took
right
that
here.
wick. Yeah, so that was the entry of that retest of the breakdown. So that's pretty much it. Just me waiting for a structure breakdown and a retest of that structure.
Yeah. Continuation trade, man. Momentum trade.
Guys,
And wait,
everybody's
hey man, you know you can also say you were just looking at the wave and it's really bearish.
Of course, we had Wave also being, super bearish as well, too, guys. Can't forget that. Guys, we're sitting at 315 on these contracts, bro. Like, this is insane.
I wonder if anybody in my
Come
YouTube live stream
on,
took that. Any of y'all
man,
take that on the YouTube live stream? Let me know.
Selling with a runner. Let's go. All out for 325. Let's go, guys.
This is why we were just talking about this earlier. Like, there's days that I won't have a trade because my setup is in the orb, and we never even got into the orb after the 45-minute candle or the 15-minute
Guys.
candle. But we have A-Main to come in here and freaking crush it for the group, man. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Yeah, I'm throwing a Habibi
I
body for
couldn't,
sure.
I couldn't take my Tesla trade, and I couldn't take my SPY or QQQ trade.
Guys, I need y'all to spam that members profile, like, for sure, bro. Come on.
A-Main's gifts are so.
Yo, one of my people in my YouTube live stream, Fullport Nico, said $500 on a new Apex funded off that trade.
Let's go.
Yeah, it was really my
Okay.
trade, Nico. It wasn't A-Main. I just told him to take it, you know. I'm just kidding.
Yo, Jay, this is crazy, bro.
All A-Main, bro. Crushing it.
Bro, Lips, I
Main
can tell you
body.
pick one ES short.
I know, I
really
would have
do.
been done. I would have been freaking done. I was waiting for a 5-minute retest and never freaking got anything.
Did
I
we
know, I'm in the same
go under
boat.
that low on spot? No, not yet.
Almost, yeah.
Almost.
Look at this. Lips.
NQ just went to a daily fair value gap. So we could have some support here. We'll see what happens.
I have a hard time following my indicator when it's like the first 5 or 10 minutes of the day. Today would have banked, but gosh dang. Alright, maybe I shouldn't because I'm looking back at Friday. Friday would have been the same situation. Jimmy spoke it in.
What's up, Joe Webby?
Pre-market.
Tradeify is not the worst. Tradeivate is the worst.
Yeah, Tradeify is and Tradeivate are different. Tradeivate is the
Yep.
actual platform that you trade on, and Tradeify is the prop firm.
Right.
Salmon, I think you gotta change your candles or something. I had the same problem on Tradeivate that where you're trading on right now, and I had to figure it out in the settings. But mine looks normal again.
Yeah, that's
There's
not.
something in
Yeah,
the
that's
settings
definitely
you
not
gotta-
normal salmon for sure. There's got to be a
Yeah,
setting
you-
or something.
You gotta mess around with it for a minute.
Yeah, because they don't do Project X on a lot of their plans anymore, Salmon. That's why.
QQQ is not dumping like SPY. QQQ is definitely dumping.
What do you mean it's not
Actually
dumping?
took out the Friday's low right there.
QQQ is dumping more than SPY actually. QQQ is not, or SPY hasn't taken out Friday's lows, and QQQ already broke Friday's lows.
Yeah, Qs are definitely dumping more than SPY right now.
It's got to be salmon. No way you guys say salmon. There ain't no way.
Yeah, salmon, the second one stuck.
It's like saying a caramel. No one says caramel, right? Or caramel, right? It's caramel.
Caramel.
I say salmon. You're getting banned.
Yeah, that's unacceptable.
That's banned. That's an abandonable offense here in the OTG. No refund though. Sorry.
It's aluminum. It's got one eye.
How else do you say it?
Aluminium, like some weird British
Aluminium. That's
crazy
crazy.
person.
That's crazy.
And I guarantee you, Papa says aluminium.
Well, yeah. Papa's also like,
What the fuck are you even trying to say?
Aluminum.
Ain't
How do you
nobody
say-
says-
I say
one
almond.
Says that. No one says that.
British people say it.
Yeah,
Aluminium.
British people do say that.
Weirdos. That's why we broke away from them and started our own country. They couldn't even say words right. Like, get out of here, you weirdos.
Huh.
You heard me, Aqua.
Someone get Papa in here. There ain't no way. We're about to all flame Papa.
someone get the big dog in here. We swept those Friday lows. Actually, no, we didn't. We actually did not sweep them. Did y'all realize that?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
we didn't. We
know.
got right there though, equal lows on.
Yeah.
Yeah. NQ
Really
took
good
it, and then there's that bounce off the daily fair value gap I was talking about right there.
That's a really good bounce right there.
Hey, NQ took it, but NQ hasn't reclaimed it. Actually, it's probably
No.
which is weird.
It's right at it.
Yeah, it's right below it. But if it can go up here like on QQQ, if QQQ can push about 15 more cents here, it'll be back above it. It's actually a bullish sign technically if that happens, but I don't know, man. I would have liked us to sweep the lows better on SPY, but what's the ICT term if you have this? You have a equal lows on SPY, but you have a lower low on NQ. Is that
SMT divergence.
right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's SMT. But SMT doesn't work when the market is like completely like weak.
Melting down. Right. Yeah, you're looking for basically a pullback into one of these
Yeah.
15-minute fair value gaps, and then you're gonna
You basically use SMT like when the market is actually bullish. You don't use it when the market is bearish. Like
Right.
it's just like we're trending higher and SPY is pulling back and Q is also like pulling back, but one of them sweeps a low instead.
exactly.
That's the best way how to use it.
Yep.
Yo, Salmon, why don't you just connect it to Tradeovate and just connect to TradingView? It's like really simple on TradingView. I made a video on it, but it's like super simple.
I can't wait till I
The-
get the Tradeivate integration done on my app because it'll be so much easier.
Yeah, the Tradeivate app, Salmon Muncher, is really bad, so I wouldn't suggest using that.
I don't even
On your
think
phone?
that's not even the Tradeovate app. That's Rhythmic Trader
is that?
Pro.
Is it Rhythmic? Oh, it is Rhythmic.
Oh, gross.
Yeah,
It
I
looked
don't,
like
I don't
Tradeivate
use
for a
Rhythmic.
second, first glance.
Yeah, guys, for anybody that does not like, it's kind of on the edge about futures trading and learning how these prop firms work. If you guys go look at the prop firm section, not prop firm section, I'm sorry, the education section, and go to prop firms and funded accounts, there is a ton of info in there. I think there's like a 25-minute long video in there teaching you exactly how to use the prop firms, how to use the funded accounts, how to connect them to TradingView from Tradeovate. A lot of free education in here for you guys that need it. Quick little
Yeah,
plug
man.
as well. Use code CHAMP on lucidtrading.com. There you go. Or Alpha. Can I link my trading view on mobile? Yeah. You can trade. A lot of people that I like see, especially the younger people that are at work, or I say younger, it don't matter the age, but whatever they're doing, when they're not with a setup, they'll be trading on their phones with Trading View. Q's reclaimed that Friday low of day. SPY huge engulfing candle on the 5-minute here. Can you copy trade with Trade of 8? Yes, but you have to use Trade Syncer, I believe. I'm working on a video for that as well.
They have a built-in trade copier for if it's all the same account. You have to create groups. It's a pain in the
but
butt,
you can't use it on TradingView though.
Right.
But yeah, you can group all the accounts on the
coming.
actual app. You're right.
Maybe I'll have Trade of 8 in by the end of the week on my app. We'll see.
That is crazy, NFT farmers. What the heck? Hey guys, I gotta go get my kid ready for school, but I'll be back in like 30 minutes or so. Let's see if we can hit a trade during then. After that,
Let's do it.
I'll be back.
All right, bro.
High roller channel's out of control. They're great people, you know. Great people.
They just have a little bit more fun. Guys, I'm going to enter a swing trade, though. I'm going to enter Disney 115 calls for March. Where did it go? March 20th. 115 calls. My fill was at 4.90. I'm putting it in my swing trading channel right now. Also, I'm going to throw in a chart with it so you can see what I'm looking at and then also where my stop loss and price targets are at.
Jimmy, did you look when you get a second, look at my screen, Jimmy.
Yes, it.
Do you see this? Do you see my NQ right now?
Yeah.
Do you see, like, we had this rejection here? This is a while back. This is like November. This rejection, this is on a 4-hour time frame, but all these rejections here, right? Still have another rejection here. Once we based above, now we retested that on Friday and held it. But, dude, this looks bad now. Like, that does not look good.
Yeah.
We're trying to go back below that after making a lower high. It's not good.
Yeah, look at the weekly. The weekly looks worse.
Yeah, that weekly, that bearish engulfing, dude. I mean, basically a bearish engulfing. I mean, it looks freaking nasty on the weekly. Last week's.
Yeah, basically, that green candle to the left over there, that's a weekly order block. We went up and retested it, rejected it last week, and then now we're dropping.
Right, and I feel like that weekly candle here was a very like bullish looking candle, and they just faked everybody out the following week.
Exactly. Yeah.
Very, very ugly. A-Man about to run it back. Yeah, A-Man, you getting back in a puts?
I'm debating, brother.
That's funny. Yeah, Brits say it that way. Okay, that makes sense. I mean, it doesn't make sense, but it makes sense that everybody is agreeing. So I do believe y'all. This is the first 1-minute EMA cloud flip the entire day. Oh, man.
Do.
Guys, you know what's crazy is this weekend I have a brand new house, right? Like 3 years old, max, and it brand new AC, and my AC has went out 3 times, but not ever because of the unit. It's only been because of the accessories. Like there was a thermostat this weekend. I had something to do with like the plate underneath the unit the other time. And then I had the breaker on the unit completely go out too, but never the actual unit. It's so frustrating, man. So frustrating.
If I woke up this morning and my furnace wasn't working, I'd be killing somebody.
Oh, appreciate it, SoFlo. Yeah, hopefully people can use their brains a little bit on that one.
You bought your house from Amazon for real, dude. That's what I'm saying. I'm just glad it's not the actual unit though, but still frustrating.
Yeah, B10, they'd be my first targets if this furnace quits working.
Well, the worst part about it happened on a Saturday, and like, how do I tell? Like, it's so hard to find someone on a Saturday that'll work. Saturday night, so difficult.
Depends on how much you're willing to pay them.
Well,
if I'm cold enough, man, I'll give them whatever it takes.
Yeah, the guy that ended up coming like to the house was a young guy, and so he got paid well because the after hours. I think it was like $600 for a new thermostat and the call out.
That sounds about right.
But the other guys I talked to like 4 companies. They're all like, "Nope, sorry, Saturday night, like we're busy, sorry." And I was like, "Okay." You need an electrician.
Thermostat on your own, man. Piece of cake.
Yeah, but I didn't know that was the problem.
Oh, that's true. Yeah.
I thought the AC was not like the outside unit was not running at all. Like the outside part of the unit was not even going. Yeah, I asked Google, but Google told me it was like 5 different things. So it's like
capacitor and all kinds of stuff.
Well, the capacitor is even what he thought it was. Whenever he came, like that was the first thing he said was, "I think it's a capacitor, but I'm gonna go look at it," and it wasn't. Starts getting expensive there though.
Snob, that is the creepiest looking little GIF.
Yeah, Snob, that is like really, really crazy. Andy, for Disney, Brit's the one who took Disney, but I actually do like it as well. I would say, where did it go? I lost it.
Where?
What?
Where'd what go?
I'm talking about Disney. I think Disney can go up to $117 to $118 would be my price target, and then if we break that, actually break a downtrend as well on Disney, I would then look for these swing highs at 125. Should I take 4% on Tesla? Matt Seth, if you're in an option trade and you're up 4%, do what you want, but I don't know if your losses are probably more than 4% though, so I don't know if it's worth it. Capacitor usually just power it off, remove the fuse, unscrew it, and just swap reverse the steps. Okay. What brand of thermostat do you have? I don't know what the brand is. I think it's a Train thermostat. Hey, I don't forget. We might have ladies in here, guys. Don't forget. Stuck. That is
The ladies in high roller start this stuff more often than not.
Stuck. That is terrifying.
It is disgusting.
You guys are insane.
All right. Well, I guess I'm gonna go hang out in high roller for a little bit.
How dare you?
Tesla is still going here, man. Tesla is freaking going.
Yeah, the zone for Tesla was actually 477 breakout.
Spot's trying to go too, though, and Q's.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like.
Looks like it's gonna be an inside day.
Yeah, that's exactly what it looks like. Can't believe Spot didn't take those lows. It was what?
You got
4,
close.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cents away. I don't know, but dang. It's close
Yeah,
up
man.
there.
Yeah, honestly, guys, I don't think we're gonna get. I mean, we could maybe get a W orb set up actually back into that opening range. Now that I'm looking at it.
Yeah, guys, just a reminder, tomorrow morning I will not be here. I will be traveling, I'll be driving. And yeah, but I will try to be some type of live Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, but it might not be like talking live, it might just be chatting live. But we'll see. I'll let you guys know. I'm going on vacation with my family if y'all weren't here earlier. So I'll be active in the chats from 9:30 a.m. Eastern to about 11:30 a.m. Eastern.
Bro, my dad, I go to his house yesterday to take pictures of this guy and my mom for their like Christmas card, and he edits the pictures with his iPhone, dude. He edits them like it's like a clear, beautiful picture, and my dad goes on that editing tool and just goes fucking ham on it.
Wait, how do you did you notice that or like?
Yeah, bro, you can easily notice it. It looks like insanely different. Like, it looks insane.
What do you
That's
edit?
crazy, bro.
What do you edit? You know?
What?
Yo, bro.
What did he edit?
The picture. Like, he edited the whole
Just
picture.
like the color of the picture. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, they're different colors. Yeah. From the first one and the second one, it looks like it's different. That is a massive deer behind him, though. I will say that.
Bro, the only thing that's not edited in that picture is the last one of just him in front of the tree. The first three are extremely edited. That's on my professional camera, too. My $6,000 camera, and they look worse than the iPhone because he edited them. Y'all sleep on them iPhone cameras, though, man. Them iPhone cameras are insane. They're amazing.
Yeah, like the
No,
front one.
I do want to buy like a Canon camera though.
What kind of, for what? You want to do videos or pictures, eh, man?
Not pictures, but for videos, I know my friend has one and it's pretty decent actually. I don't know what brand it is.
No, let me show you what to get. Hold on. BRB.
Anybody has like the DJI one for videos?
Yeah, that's what I'm about to show you, eh, man?
Actually, hey.
Let me see that, champ. I want to see that thing. I still haven't seen it in person.
It's not what I heard.
Damn. Damn, dog.
What are y'all chuckling about over here?
Brett said, "Yeah, I still haven't seen it in person." I said, "That's not what I heard."
Oh, man. All right, I'm actually about to end this YouTube stream, guys, because we're about to head out. I'm about to head out of VIP in general, but I'm going to end the YouTube stream, talk to these guys in VIP for a minute, and then call it there. But I don't think we're going to get a trade today. Even if we do get that retracement back into the range, I think it's going to be a while before we even get an entry. So, yeah, if you're in the YouTube stream, y'all have a good day. I'll be